Today in this video, I'll tell you all about Bunnings' return policy for all items. We'll cover everything from returning items with or without a receipt, returning items without tags, and even what happens if you need to return something after 30 days. Let's get started. Returning products in store. When you visit a Bunnings store to return or exchange a product, make sure to let the door greeter or gatekeeper know. They'll guide you to the in-store returns and exchanges desk where a team member will assist you. Change of mind returns. Bunnings makes it easy to return items if you've simply changed your mind. Here's how it works. With a receipt or tax invoice, you'll get a refund. The item must be unused, in its original packaging, and in sellable condition. Refunds are processed using the original payment method. Without proof of purchase, you'll need to provide a form of identification like a driver's license. You can receive an exchange voucher or exchange for similar goods. Items must still be unused, in original packaging, and in sellable condition. Note: original credit cards must be present to process refunds. Special payment methods: PayPal and Zip. Items bought using PayPal or Zip can be returned in store or through customer support, but refunds will be issued to the original payment method. If there's an issue with the system, an alternative refund method will be offered. Trade account returns. If you're a trade account customer, bring the original invoice along with the goods for an account credit. Online purchases. For online purchases, you can return items in-store with a tax invoice or contact customer support at customersupport@bunnings.com.au. Exceptions to returns. Bunnings cannot accept returns or exchanges for the following items: custom-made products or items cut to size, opened toilet seats or portable toilets for health reasons, tinted paint, opened pet food and pet products that are not resellable. These items can only be returned if they are faulty or don't match their description. Australian consumer law protections. Bunnings products come with guarantees under the Australian consumer law. You're entitled to a replacement, repair, or refund if the product is faulty or not of acceptable quality, doesn't match its description or sample, isn't fit for its intended purpose. Marketplace purchases. For items bought through the Bunnings marketplace, contact the seller directly for returns. If they don't cooperate, reach out to customer support at bunnings.com.au. Perfect plant promise. Bunnings guarantees their plants for 12 months. If you're not happy with your plant, return it with the receipt for a refund. However, this doesn't apply to short-lived plants like flower and vegetable seedlings. And that's everything you need to know about the Bunnings return policy. Whether you've got a receipt, no tags, or it's been over 30 days, Bunnings has got you covered with their flexible and customer-friendly policies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.